Aero Smart-Kit. Easiest tool for troubleshooting electrical wiring. One-step process. Simply connect and get live diagnostic reports instantly. No need to tear down a whole plane. Connection kit fits any cable and compatible with any aircraft. Includes 2 advanced modes, Expert and Special. Expert mode allows for advanced modulation and allows you to identify intermediate faults. Preloaded tests with variable criteria. Distance to fault testing. Save money by reducing NFF and AOG costs. The Aero HD generates instant PDF reports for easy access.